Hello everyone, Gerald D Cycling here. In this video, we're going to transfer this Continental Grandprix 5000 to my new bicycle, and on my factory tires, we're going to transfer it to my girlfriend's bicycle. So, okay, let's change it. Bicycle. This is the Merida Scultura 4000. So I will be posting a bike check on my bicycle maybe some of these days, but somehow tomorrow we're going to have a ride. And on the Grandprix 5000, I think I need this to have more power, lesser rolling resistance. If you see, this is the GP 5000. According to here, it has the new ears in cycling, the best all-rounder in the field, brought to a whole new performance level. Ride faster, more comfortable, and with increased puncture protection, made to make you better. Okay, this is the Grandprix 5000. So first, let's unbox the tire. I have not opened it yet. Okay, so this is the tire. So let's just first place the bike here, because basically later I'm going to put it upside down. It has the plastic bundle and the manual. So this is the 700 by 25C version. Okay, so this is the tire. Okay, so it's light. Okay, you see the rotation here. Oh, this one is the rotation. You can see that this is made in Germany. Okay, this is the, you see the logo here, 5000. Okay, I got the pair of this. Smells like really a rubber. Okay, another one. Same with the other one. Has the manual. Okay, okay. So let's open this one. Let's check if what is written on the manual. Some bunch of instructions here in different languages: Chinese, Spanish, English. Okay, so yeah, what is the maximum PSI of this one? Continental 25 by 622, 700 by 25. Maximum inflation 8.5 bar, 123 psi to 850 kPa, made in Germany. Okay, go on. Let's place this one. Okay, so I have to turn my bike upside down because I don't have the holder. So let's first do the front wheel. Okay. I'm sorry, I have to turn you upside down. that. Okay, yeah. We have to use this one, plastic one. Okay, so let's be careful. Damage the inner tube. Just want to change it. Okay, already took out the factory tires. For the weight. Yeah, it's really lighter. Let's reinflate a little this one, inner tube. Okay, so we have already changed the front wheel. Let's inflate. Now let us proceed on the rear wheel. So use the trucks also. Okay, just remove the axle. Wait. Whoa. That's a lot of air. Okay. So we're gonna make sure to be careful because you might damage the inner tube. This one. Okay. The other parts took out. Let's go to our new tire. So we are done with the rear wheel. So we're going to reinstate it now. put the wheel back. Or tires, okay. So hello, we are done with my bike. So now we're going to transfer my factory tires to my girlfriend's bike. Okay, let's do it. So we have to turn it up because we don't have a stand right now. So this is the quick release version. One is the rear wheel. So just put this out. So easy if you have a quick release version. Oh, there you go. So quick release. This is it, fan seat. Hello everyone, so we are now done changing the tires of our bike. So basically I don't know if the tire pressure is okay because I don't have any gauge. Maybe go to the bike shop. We are going to let the bike mechanic check if the tire pressure of our bike. Experience on changing the tires. It's not that quite difficult if you have the proper tools on changing your bike tires. If you have this kind of stuff here, and the pump, especially for the pump, and yeah, so so thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.